Alright, so now we're going to be taking a look at writing scripts to remove keys. Now, so I'm going to be deleting Trend Micro's key here, which was used by Hijack This, as you see. And I'm going to be showing you how to write a script that Registry Editor uses to delete that key. So if you're trying to help somebody else out and you couldn't see what their computer looked like, or well, you couldn't be there to actually handle Registry Editor, you don't want to try to tell them what to do, you have them open Notepad, copy and paste the following text in. What we're going to do is use regedit 4 because it works and you don't need to type as much in. And we're going to delete the key. Deleting a value and changing values is slightly different. So, you put the key in brackets. So I'll make a set of brackets and you copy the key in. Right here, this will tell regedit to create a key, as long as the key isn't there, that is. But you put a minus before the key inside the brackets. This is now going to tell regedit to remove a key. So we're going to be deleting this key, VCG port. So we're going to copy this key name here. This is how you remove values. So pay attention, it's different from keys. So you put your key in here in brackets, no minus sign, because we don't want to delete the key, we want to delete the value. Because if you try to delete the key while you're modifying an app init DLL, you're going to delete the whole app init DLL. So, and then we have to go and get the value name. So I'm going to copy that name and I'm going to paste it in here. The value name goes in quotes. And then it's to remove the value, it's equals minus. To change the value, it would be equals and then in quotes the new value you want to assign. Right here I'm going to delete the value. Alright? To assign an empty value, which is fine in some cases like app init DLLs, you probably want to assign an empty value instead of deleting the key. It will be app init DLLs equals two quotes with nothing in between, and that will set a blank value. So what do we do with this? We save as all files, which is important, very important. We'll do the desktop, we'll do it as fix.reg and click save. So now if we go here, we will see this file. Yes, we do. And it was successfully entered into the registry. Now if we go back to Registry Editor, we will notice that first of all, that value is gone. And second of all, we can't find Trend Micro. Alright, thanks for watching everybody.